Hi everyone, in this video we are going to do word problems on LCM. This is the part 1 video. So here we have our first example. A boy has some candies. He can put them into the group of 3 or 4 with none left over. What is the smallest number of candies he can have? So here we will see through the picture. The boy has number of candies and he is putting those candies into group of 3 and group of 4 such that he should not have any left over. So we need to find the smallest number of candies. So for this, we need to find the multiples of 3 and 4. So what are the multiples of 3? And what are the multiples of 4? Now, next we need to find the common multiples. So our common multiples are 12 and 24. If we go further, we can find 36, 48 also as a common multiple. So common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. But here we need to find the smallest common multiple or LCM, which is 12. So smallest number of candy he can have as 12. One more thing. So here we are finding the LCM. To find the LCM, we can also use the prime factorization method, which we are going to use in the next question. So here we have our next example. A school band can arrange all its students in rows of 9 or in rows of 15 without leaving any student out. What is the smallest possible number of students in the band? So here also we are finding LCM. To find the LCM, now we can use either prime factorization method or common multiple method. So I am using here prime factorization method. So what are the prime factors of 9? So prime factors of 9 are 3 times 3. And prime factors of 15 are 3 times 5. Now to find the LCM, we'll take the common pair if any. So here the pair of 3 is common. So we will take 3 and 3, then 5. So LCM is 45. So what is the smallest possible number of students? Equals to 45. So here we have our next example. A shopkeeper has a collection of marbles. He can pack all the marbles into packets of 6 or packets of 10 without any marble being left over. What is the smallest number of marble he can have? So here we will find the prime factors of 6, which is 2 times 3, and prime factors of 10, which is 2 times 5. Now we have common pair as 2. So 2 times 3 times 5. So our LCM is 30. So the smallest number of marbles he can have is 30. So here we have our next example. Our teacher asks students to stand first in groups of 4 and then in groups of 6. In both the cases, no student is left out. The number of students is less than 50. So write all the possible numbers of student, and second, what is the least possible number. So again, we are going to find the common multiples of 4 and 6. So common multiple of 4 is 52, that I am not going to consider because it is greater than 50. Now multiples of 6 is and next number will be 54, which is greater than 50. Now what are the common multiples? 24, 36 and 48. So common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36 and 48. Therefore, write all the possible number of students will be 12, 24, 36 and 48. Now second is least possible number of students. What is the least number? 12. So this is going to be answer. So here we have few practice questions. Try this question on your own and leave your answer in the comment box.